So, Doordash is one of the most popular food delivery applications out there, and you might be trying to figure out exactly how you can go through and use this particular app. So, number one, this is what the application looks like. You can go inside of your App Store, your Google Play Store, or DoorDash.com, and you'll be able to find it this way. So, what you want to do is once you go and have it downloaded, you can go and open up the application. It looks just like this. And the very first time you go and open it up, it's going to go ahead and basically tell you to sign up for the account. So you can either log in via your, Apple ID, your Google account, any other information like that. You can basically supply it, and that will essentially go through and, allow you to kind of, see the account that way. So that is one way you can kind of do it. Then what you can do is after that, you can essentially go through and see this application. So at the very top, it'll have your address. So wherever you want to go and get it delivered or whatever, you can go and click up there. You'll have your, profile icon here, your notifications, and your checkout. So if you ever add anything to checkout, you can check out right there. The search bar allows you to search within DoorDash. So if you want to search for a specific restaurant or like a specific food, you can go and find it there. The rest of this page is basically just seeing new food and new options around you. So you can kind of go through here and you can have these categories that quickly bring you up to different food items if you want to. You can scroll through and you can find different types of things to get delivered. You'll see all sorts of other foods. You can find whatever food you basically want, and you can go ahead and essentially get it delivered wherever you basically want to go. Now, let's say you go and find somewhere that you actually like. So let's say in this case, we like something like whatever, right? It doesn't really matter what it is. Let's just say Five Guys. Well, if we want it, we can tap into here and we can choose whether we want it for delivery or pickup. You can do a group order. You can go and specify exactly what type of items you want to go ahead and buy. So there's a lot of stuff here. You can basically go and specify exactly what you want. You can also see reviews towards the end. Now, once you're done with that, if you want to, you can go and click on grocery at the bottom if you want to go and actually just go straight into groceries. So if you want to buy not maybe food, but you want to buy something like groceries, you can click right into here and you can go and get some grocery stuff delivered to you. You can also click on retail right here, and you can also go through and you can, get retail stuff delivered to you too. So you do have that type of option here as well. You can kind of scroll through and find, other types of retail type of options that you want. So this right there is another really cool thing that you can basically do here too. You can also click on browse. So if you want to browse for specific things, if you want to browse for like restaurants or home items or health or any of these other things too, you can also just go through and get all those things, within different categories. You can browse through them. And then at the end, you have your orders. Now, if you want to go ahead and, kind of check out, you can click on view cart, and this will allow you to view exactly what you want to go ahead and buy. So, in this case, I added like a piece of candy. So you can go ahead and add a piece of candy, whatever you want to. You can go and add more items. There's other things relevant to me too. And if I'm ready, I can go and click on continue, and this will allow me to basically go through and basically check out and, basically buy it from there. So that's basically it. That's Doordash. It's a pretty basic type of application. You can just scroll through, find whatever things you want to find, but that's essentially how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.